If you want to change the language on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to switch your language on X in just a few seconds. Whether you want the platform in a different language for comfort, learning, or easier navigation, this guide will make it simple. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you're signed in to your X account. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar on the desktop version of X. You'll see a menu option called More. Click on More to open up the additional settings and features. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account and display options, including your language settings. Now that you're inside Settings and Privacy, look for the section labeled Accessibility, Display and Languages. Click that option to open the next menu. This section controls how X looks and behaves for your account, so it's the correct place to change your language. Once that opens, click Languages. This will take you directly to the language preferences for your account. On the Languages page, you should see an option to change your language. Click the Language option and a list of available languages will appear. Browse through the list and select the language you want to use on X. Take your time here and choose the one that matches your preference because this will affect menus, buttons, and many parts of the interface. After selecting your language, X may ask you to click Save. If you see that prompt, go ahead and confirm it so the change is applied correctly. Once that's done, refresh X so the new language settings can load properly. In many cases, the interface updates right away, but refreshing helps make sure everything is fully applied. Next, verify that the language has changed. Check the menus, buttons, and settings pages to see if they now appear in your selected language. If everything looks good, then you're finished. If the language doesn't update immediately, don't worry. Sometimes you just need to sign out of X and sign back in. After that, refresh the page one more time and the new language should appear. That's all there is to it. You've now changed the language on X and you can browse the platform in the language that works best for you. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference in your overall experience. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.